Alright, so this is my Dyson DC30. We've got a Dyson V8 Absolute now, which has replaced the Dyson ball vacuum cleaner. But we still use this, or we were still using this until, just have a listen to the battery. And there you go, it's just cut out. So the battery's absolutely gone in it. And I was going to throw it away, but then I thought, well, I'll just have a look on the internet and see if I can get a replacement battery. So the first thing to do was to see whether we could actually remove this, and that's easy. All you do is just press that button there and it just pulls out like that. And then if you have a look on the bottom, it gives you all the information that you need on here to be able to go onto eBay and order one. And if we just have a look at this, you can see that it's you see the 14.4 or 14.8, I'm not too sure, I can't read it without my glasses. But I went onto eBay, had a look, and for £30 got a brand new one. And it simply clicks in, just like that, and Bob's your uncle. It wasn't eBay, sorry, it was Amazon. So I'll put the link on for it, but now works absolutely perfectly, and it's as good as the day it was purchased. So rather than throw something away like that just because the battery's gone, replace it for £30 and you've got yourself a brand new vacuum cleaner. So well worth it, absolutely well worth it. Make sure you get the there are quite a few on there though for other models, so make sure you get the same voltage. I'll just show you the information on the bottom of this new one actually. So push that in, pull it out. 14.4 volt this one. DC30 rechargeable battery pack.